Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the keyboard of your Dell P60F laptop. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about the tools you'll need for this task. You will require a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any electrostatic discharge damage to your laptop's components. First, ensure your laptop is powered off and unplugged. Remove the battery to avoid any accidental power-ups during the replacement. If you're unsure about any of these steps or don't have the necessary tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, locate and remove the screws securing the keyboard to the laptop. Typically, these screws can be found on the bottom panel of your Dell P60F. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing them. Once you've removed the screws, use your plastic prying tool to gently lift the keyboard from its position. Take your time with this step, as rushing may damage the keyboard or the surrounding plastic. As you lift the keyboard, be careful with the ribbon cable attached to the motherboard. Gently disconnect it by lifting the locking mechanism of the connector. If you encounter any resistance, stop and check to ensure you're not missing a screw or latch. If you feel uncomfortable performing this, we provide pickup and delivery at your home for repairs. With the old keyboard removed, it's time to prepare the new one. Before installation, clean the area where the keyboard sits. Use a can of compressed air to blow out any dust or debris that may have accumulated inside your laptop. This is crucial as it helps maintain the overall hygiene and functionality of your device. Now, take your new keyboard and align it with the mounting points. Gently connect the ribbon cable to the motherboard, making sure it is securely locked in place. If you need assistance with this process, remember, we can provide a quote before repair so you know exactly what to expect. Once the keyboard is in place, carefully press down until it clicks into position. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this may strip the threads. After securing the keyboard, reattach the battery and plug in your laptop. Power it on to test the new keyboard. Make sure each key is functioning correctly. If any issues arise during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for support. We guarantee no calls, no travel, making it easier for you to get assistance right from home. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the keyboard on your Dell P60F laptop. Regular maintenance and timely repairs can extend the life of your device significantly. Always remember that if you require professional help, we are just a call away, ready to assist you with our reliable services. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.